Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my mini mystery box of awesome. I love this subscription. Super cheap. It's under $10 and it's always a mystery. So I cut it open, but I didn't look inside yet. But you always get the regular, and this tells you which month it's for. So this is September 2019. Get like a little word search, little brain teasers and activities on there. And then all the items inside are completely random. So the first product I'm pulling out is some Vaseline Lip Therapy. So like I said, very random, but useful stuff for sure. Winter's among us, and I'm sure that'll come in handy. Also have Quaro Dual Color Rechargeable Light. Color changing LED white and red light, adjustable zoom, rechargeable battery. That's pretty neat. I'm not sure that I've seen anything like that before. So let's see if we can, nope. Maybe it needs to be charged. Let's see if it says anything about how you charge it. So on here it says that you can charge it with a 12-volt power outlet, so a cigarette lighter, which makes sense because it looks like that at the bottom. I don't think cars have cigarette lighters anymore. I'm pretty sure mine doesn't, but I do have like plugs like that in the car. I'll have to see if that works. It's definitely not a cigarette lighter that I have, so I'm not sure if I could charge that in my car, but that would be a really good thing to keep in your car. And you could charge it in case you ever get stranded or you're going camping or anytime you need that. So that's pretty useful. I like that. Very cool. Yeah, so this is the last item in there. We always get an advertisement for Pet Treater, that's their other company. And the last thing, Shadow Box Pink, has a $10 value. This is a Polaroid Photo Bar. Huh, let's take a look. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So last month we did get something from Polaroid. There were these little colorful cubes that you could stick pictures in. So I love that. And this month what it is they're calling it a shadow box. You can hang it. That's like a soft texture to it. So what you do, it says to take the sticker off and stick it on the back of your Polaroid picture, and then it sticks there. So you can take it in and out. But it seems like you would need more of these then, you know, if you ever wanted to change out the picture. So what might be cute is if you got a picture that fits here, and then you put that over it so it looks like a Polaroid. You know what I mean? I don't know, maybe that will look goofy. But either way, I think it's cool. And I have a bunch of like these flat magnets laying around. They were part of this project I was doing at work, so I guess in theory I can make a bunch of these to switch out. But I like this. I take a lot of pictures, have a lot of pictures, so definitely can use stuff like that. So we got a picture frame, rechargeable light, and some Vaseline. So if you guys would like to join, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.